Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Courier Guy with Shopify so you can automate your South African shipping and fulfill orders with a single click in 2026. Let's get into it. First, search for the app. The first step is locating the official integration tool within the Shopify ecosystem. Go to the search bar at the top of your Shopify admin dashboard and type in the Courier Guy. Click the option that appears to navigate to the Shopify App Store. In 2026, the global search bar is the fastest shortcut to the App Store. By searching here first, Shopify pre-filters the results to ensure you are finding a version of the app that is compatible with your specific store version and region. Next, select the official integration. With several shipping tools available, you need to ensure you are installing the correct one for direct fulfillment. Once the App Store page loads, click on the first option labeled the Courier Guy. Review the app overview and click Install to begin the connection process. The top result is the verified native integration for South African merchants. Selecting this specific app ensures you get access to live quotes and one-click waybills, features that are often missing from third-party aggregators. The primary reason for choosing the official The Courier Guy app is to achieve full automation. Without this link, you would have to manually export customer addresses, log into a separate courier portal, and copy-paste tracking numbers back into Shopify for every single order. This integration creates a real-time data loop. The moment a customer pays, their dimensions and weight are calculated, a waybill is generated in your dashboard, and a collection request is sent to the nearest depot. This not only eliminates human error and shipping addresses, but also scales your business by allowing you to process 100 orders in the same time it would take to do one manually. And that's pretty much it. To integrate in 2026, go to the top search bar, type The Courier Guy, and head to the App Store. Click the first option to install the official app. This ensures your fulfillment is fully automated, saving you hours of manual data entry and preventing shipping errors. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.